info, and I'm going to do auto constrain. Notice how I did this. The order matters. I'm dimensioning to what here? The tangencies. We don't want to dimension tangencies. I want overall height and or length and width. Okay, height and width. Sorry. I want this width and I want this height. If you do this on the test, this is wrong.
Okay, let's do this in SolidWorks. So generally I will, if I'm not purposely building out in space, I will start from the origin. We can go ahead and add in our circle and our radii, which let's go ahead and make that bigger so you can see it. And then the tool that we will be using is under display/delete relations, and it's called fully defined sketch. So we can click that. So we can do all the entities or just part of the entities in a sketch automatically. We can let it do relations, and we can turn certain ones off. Like if we don't want to add in any tangents, we can turn that off or back on. And then we can also turn off whether it does dimensions. So you can do relations, dimensions, either or. And then you get chain, baseline, or ordinate dimensions as your styles, and you can pick what point they come from. So right here you can see the dimensions come from the left and on the bottom, which you can select here. Let's put those back to below. And then ordinate, just for an example of a different style, you have 0, 0 coordinate, and then everything else is based off of coordinates. So let's go ahead and pop that back to chain. Chain. There we go. And then if you are trying to build it out in space, let's go ahead and do that. Got our circle. Go ahead, the fillets. We need to check. Close that tool. Open our tool again. And then for our points, for horizontal, you can select this. Horizontal or vertical, you can select that guy. And this is what you get. It's not fully defined, and that's because this is not fixed. So you can then either fix this with a geometrical constraint, i.e. using make fixed, or better practice would be to dimension from the origin. So we could say this is 2. Oop, had too many things selected there. And then we could say this is 2. Then I'm also getting a weird glitch on SolidWorks where I am in ANSI drafting, but for it to update, I have to turn it on and then, or turn it off and then back on. And then my dimensions snap to how they're supposed to look. Then we can, oh, I never hit check on my auto constraint. So we can go ahead and pick these again, horizontal, vertical, calculate, and now it's not mad. So you can do this before or you can do this after, but you have to hit check, not X. And you could go and make this look a little better. And you can see everything is fully defined.